Hello, welcome to my channel and craft room. I really hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please click the like button and leave a comment. Both of these things really help out my channel, plus I love to interact and chat with you all. I would also love it if you subscribe so we could craft along together in future videos too. You can find me on other social media platforms as well. Those links will be in the description box under each video. I'd love for us to connect there too. Right, let's get crafting. Hello everyone, I am back for another crafty supplies haul video. This one's a little bit different. It's not a paper craft as such, but I was contacted by a company called NewCraftDay and they asked if I would be interested in sampling one of their products and obviously showing you guys. Now, I did find when my channel first started to grow that I did get messages from companies. Now, I don't agree to all of them, especially if it's something that I'm not particularly interested in. It's not a hobby that I have. I have so many hobbies, mostly to do with different kinds of paper crafting. So I don't really want to kind of take something on, especially if it's something that I know I possibly either won't enjoy or something I won't continue. And NewCraftDay did contact me. It was a little over a year ago now, and at first I did sort of say no thank you, I've looked at your site, it's not really something I'm into. However, NewCraftDay, what they mainly do is diamond painting, and over the last year since they contacted me, my mum, who's very much into puzzles, she bought a diamond painting and I thought it turned out really, really lovely. And over Christmas just gone, I bought, it was a really cheap because I got it after the Advent has started, but it was an Advent calendar, but it was a crafty one. And it was clearly for kids or young crafters. But I loved it. It was brilliant. You had 12 different crafts in there. As I said, I got it really cheap because the Advent had already started. And a few of the products in there were diamond painting, and I actually really enjoyed it. I thought they looked really pretty when they were done. I mean, obviously, like I said, it was aimed at kids, so they were a bit too sort of glitzy for my particular liking, but I did enjoy the process. So again, just before Christmas, NewCraftDay contacted me again, said, okay, we've expanded, we've got this, would you be willing to have a little look? So this time I did actually take the time to have a really good look at their site and the sorts of things that they did. And I found this one diamond painting. Now I picked a smaller size because obviously I am still new to this and the ones that I did at Christmas were small. But I did pick a smaller size diamond painting and then a little accessory thing that I can have to go with it. So I'm just going to take it out of the bag. I'm going to speed this up because it's going to get very noisy and very rustly. Okay, so what I got from them was the diamond painting. Now, as I said, I did have a look through, so you can see that the size of this one is 30 by 40 centimetres. So it's not huge, but I think for somebody who's just starting out with diamond painting, this will be perfect. I mean, I do like a wide range of crafts. I just wasn't sure whether this was my thing, which is why I turned them down last time that they kind of asked me. But as I said, my mum did one and I did some over Christmas, just like smaller projects. And I did actually quite enjoy it. And the nice thing about this is it's something I can kind of sit down in my front room and just do while I'm watching some telly. Now, I know lots of people do fussy cutting and other sort of things for their paper crafts in front of the telly, but I find that very difficult because I could be sitting downstairs and I think, oh, I need to go upstairs and get my scissors. Oh, I need to go upstairs, I've got my ruler. Oh, I've just forgotten a glue. And I'm constantly up and down and then I don't feel relaxed. I'd much rather just craft in my craft room. But this I thought I can do in front of the telly somewhere else because all of the bits are included in this little thing. And then I've got this, which is my organiser, which I ordered with it. So this is all that I would need to take with me. And I know that I've got everything. Right, so let's take these out then, and I can show you exactly what I received from NewCraftDay. So we'll start with the diamond painting. So it's on a lovely canvas, and I know I'm rolling this round backwards, but I know that all of these are in here. So it's got all of the colours that you're going to need. You get the little kind of wax gluey thing to be able to pick them up. You get the pen, and you get a little tray for them, so that's all brilliant. You all get that with them. And then this, I don't know if that's going to fit on the camera, is what I went with. So I love this saying. I think it's absolutely wonderful. They whispered to her, "You cannot withstand the storm." She whispered back, "I am the storm." I really love that, and I really loved this image because you've got the back of a girl, you've got all florals, you've got trees. So this is very much my sort of style, and I thought this would look really nice in my craft room actually. So that was another reason that I decided that I would accept NewCraftDay's offer, because I thought, well, actually this is a lovely piece that I can make for my craft room to go on my wall. So like I said, it's a nice small size for me to start with. But yeah, so you've got the table here with all of the different sort of colours, which is obviously really, really useful. So it gives you the colour codes. Obviously on here it tells you as well, which is really good, and you get the numbers. And as I said, you get all of the bits that you need for it. So I've got all of the colours I need in here. I've got the dish, you get the tools and everything. So really, really good. And actually when I was looking at these, price-wise, if I was to buy, I mean, like I said, I was gifted these, but they're not expensive. I think this was maybe £5 or $5. I can't remember what the currency was in. But it really wasn't very much. So yeah, I definitely would recommend, if this is something that you're into, to definitely go and check them out. NewCraftDay. I'll give you a little look at their site towards the end of the video, so you can kind of see the different products that they do. They do a wide range of different diamond paintings, different sizes, different shapes. So yeah. And like I said, as well as this, because like I said, if I want to do something in front of the telly, I wanted to be able to take it all with me, but obviously having all of these loose bags might be a bit of an issue. So that's when I saw this. So again, I'm going to quickly speed up so I can pull this all out without it rustling. Okay, so in this package you get, as you can see, a shed load of these little clear plastic baggies, so you can obviously store these a little bit better, because once you've opened these, I don't think you're going to be able to close them again. So you've got these little baggies, which is really good, and you've got tons and tons of them. There is a binder, and then there are, I'll try and put it on my black desk so you can see it a little bit better. So it's in 4 sections, and they are little pockets. So the idea is that you pop your beads or your gem things in here, and then you can slot them in, and you also get all of the numbered labels plus some spares, so that you can obviously number these. So again, if you were to do more diamond painting, then you've got certain numbers already. So I think that was a really, really good idea. So yeah, so I've got these bags, so I'm going to transfer all of my little diamonds in there, and then I've got obviously all the numbers for them as well. And you get a few of these, so let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you get 10 of those, and there's 4 pouches in each, so 40 slots. I think they're single-sided. Yeah, so they're only single-sided. So you get 40 slots in there, which is fine, because I think, yeah, so on this diamond painting there's only 24 different types of gems. So perfect for me for starting out. I assume you can probably buy some more of these, but I just like that it comes in a little binder, and then I can organise everything. But yeah, that just seemed like a really cool idea. So I think that's what I'm going to start with, actually, is putting all of my beads into their little packets, and then setting this up. Yeah, so as you can see here, so these are all attached. So once you start opening these, you can't seal these. They're all kind of attached to one another. So yeah, definitely this was a good idea to get these as well. Okay, so number 1 is number 154 apparently, according to that. And the reason I'm labelling here and not on here is because I'm thinking if I did buy another diamond painting, and obviously I've got this first for in here, but if I have another diamond painting and they have, say, number 20, I'm going to have to reorder these because in my head I need things in order. So but yeah, but I like the way that that fits in nice and snug. It's not falling out, so that's really good. I like that. Right, I'm going to finish setting up. Right, so that's all of them popped in. It's now a little folder of rainbows. I really like this, and I've got, I mean, just absolutely tons of these baggies left. I've obviously still got some of these left, which is great, and I've still got a load of labels. So as I said, if this turns out to be another hobby, at least this way, because I have labelled the bags, if I have any numbers that are kind of before that, I can just jig them around a little bit because, yeah, I do like them in order. But yeah, I'm really happy with that. I think that system works really well. It certainly keeps them nice and secure and together. And then, like I said, it's just something nice then that, yeah, I can take anywhere, because all I'm going to need is this, the tools, and then obviously my piece of work. So let's have a look at the NewCraftDay website. So at the top, they often have different offers going on, so make sure that you check those out because you could be getting yourself a really good discount. At the moment, I have this set in British pounds because obviously that's the currency I work in. And as you can see, the prices I think are very, very reasonable. The prices vary, obviously, depending on the size of the canvas that you buy, but I think it's a great value for money, certainly from what I have received. As well as the diamond painting, they also do cross stitching. So if you're into cross stitching, you may want to come and check out this site as well. And then scrolling down, they have their new arrivals sections. They also have different series. So if you're looking for a particular theme, then you can check those out. And then of course they have different tools that you can buy, both for diamond painting and for cross stitching. And I really love that if you keep scrolling down, you get to see real customer reviews. So you get to see the projects they've made with the products that they have bought from NewCraftDay. So if this video has prompted you to make a purchase, don't forget to use my discount code, which will be in the description down below. Okay, so I am super happy with everything that I've received from NewCraftDay. I love the small canvas size because it's perfect for me as a beginner into this new craft. I love that all the tools are supplied. I really love this folder. I love that everything is numbered. It's like a little colourful rainbow of diamonds in here. So yeah, I am very excited to get started, and I really like that I can take this anywhere in the house, and this is all that I need, and I know that I'm not going to have to keep running back for scissors, glue sticks, whatever else I normally forget if I'm crafting in a different space. So don't forget to check out all of the links down below. I'll have the links to the items that I have here, plus to the NewCraftDay website. There is also a discount code as well, so don't forget to use that at the checkout. Well, thank you very much for watching today, and I will see you soon in the next crafty video. See you later. Bye bye.